Hi guys, let's make some chocolate tiffin today. It's a no-bake confection made with crushed digestives mixed in butter, cocoa and dry fruit, which is finally topped with some melted chocolate. Just yum! Here I have some digestive biscuits. You can also use rich tea biscuits, but the best flavor comes from digestives. I have some unsalted butter, some semi-sweet chocolate. You can use dark chocolate as well, that will work fine. I have some raisins here. You can use any dry fruit of your choice. Next I have some cocoa powder, some granulated sugar and some golden syrup. First I'm going to crush the biscuits. I'm using a Ziploc bag because it makes the task neat. You can use a food processor as well, but if you do decide to use a food processor, please make sure you pulse it, don't grind it. Once all the biscuits are in, I'm gonna seal it, and then using a rolling pin, I'm gonna crush the biscuits, and that's how I take my frustration out. Once the fun part of crushing the biscuits is done, I'm gonna put it in a bowl and keep it aside. The next part is in stove. Over low heat, I'm going to gently melt some butter. Butter almost melted. At this point, I'm gonna add sugar, cocoa powder, and finally some golden syrup. Now I'm gonna give it a good stir so that everything is well combined, and then I'm gonna leave it to come to a boil, but in very low heat. Once you see bubbles forming on the sides and it's coming to a boil, turn off the heat and then remove it from the stove. Now let's pour the mixture into crushed biscuits. And now using a spatula, I'm gonna give it a very good stir so that crushed biscuits and this melted mixture mixes together. Next I'm gonna add raisins to it, and then again using a spatula, I'm gonna mix it. Now it's time to transfer the mixture in a dish. I have already lined it with foil paper, but you can use baking sheets as well. All the mixture goes in. Once all the mixture is in, level it, and then using the head of the spatula, press it. Press on the corners and on the middle as well. Now I'm switching to a spoon and I'm pressing harder so that all the corners are sealed. We don't want air pockets in the middle. Finally, I'm gonna smooth out the top, and once that's done, I'm gonna keep it in the refrigerator for 15 minutes to set. In the meantime, in a double boiler, I'm gonna put chocolate chips and I will let it gently melt. Once chocolate is melted, I'm gonna give it a stir and then I will remove it from the heat. Now it's time to pour the chocolate mixture on top of the set base. And using a spatula, just level it. And once that's done, keep it in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes so that everything is set nicely. It's been half an hour and chocolate tiffin is nicely set. I'm gonna remove it from the bowl and it's time to cut it. Yay! I'm gonna make some triangle shapes, for which I'm gonna cut it in half first, and then with each half I'm gonna make 4 triangles. But you can make any shape you like, squares, or you can even make tiny bite-sized pieces for parties or as appetizers. It's up to you. We try to create and post recipes in a simple way so that you can make them easily at home. If you like this recipe, please show us your support by giving us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you never miss any of our future recipes. If you need a printable version of the ingredients list, please visit our blog bublisworldcuisine.com. Thank you all for watching.